Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I'm going to try this clay craft for the first time and I'm so excited to show you how I made this shell trinket tray. I've been seeing this all over my Pinterest page and I had to give it a try. I'm using Fevicryl Mouldit clay and I'm hoping it turns out good as I imagined. So I start by moisturizing my hands to prevent stickiness while working with the clay. This packet has some resin base and the another, mixing them together so that we can mold shapes easily. Now it's ready to work. I sprinkled some powder on the plastic cover and started rolling it. It helps prevent sticking as I trace out the shell design. If you're gonna follow this, I highly recommend using 2 packets of clay because I felt mine was a bit thinner than expected. Finally, I'm adding details to the shell and smoothing everything out with the water. This clay dries fast, so I had to move quickly. You can also use sponge to smooth out the surface. It's almost done. Now I carefully place the design in a bowl and let it dry for 3 days. Here's the final outcome of the shell trinket tray. Now all we have to do is paint it. I'm using white acrylic paint to paint the base. After painting the base, I realized brush strokes were visible, so I switched to a sponge for a smoother texture finish. After painting it, you can also top it off with varnish or clear nail polish for the glossy finish. Here's the final result. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and if you have any tips to help me improve on my next clay project. I really hope you like watching them. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.